Now let's take a look at filtration. All three of these chillers on the box say they have ozone generation as well as double filtration. But when you look closer, there's definitely a difference. The black unit here has an ozone generator. We don't see anything wrong with it. But what we don't like is the filtration. If you look at the filtration, it has a very small main filter, and it's only a 5-micron filter instead of the 20 that we use. This small size means it's going to clog quicker and you have to change the filters more often. We also notice that the mounting of it is very, very poor. Additionally, these type of filters, you have to use a tool to rotate the filter off. A lot of water ends up spilling, and then you have to refill the container with water to get it primed again. When we take a look at the white unit, the first thing we notice with the ozone generator is, first of all, it's just laying here flapping around. But what we noticed is if you look at the tubing, it is already discoloring. The tubing they used for the ozone generator is not compatible with ozone. Certain plastic tubings can degrade, dry, crack, and leak when exposed to ozone. This particular manufacturer did not use the correct tubing on their ozone generator, which means it will prematurely fail and likely leak, causing an air leak and the pump to stop running. We do like the white unit's top mount accessible filter. It makes it easy to change the 20-micron filter without getting water everywhere or needing a bunch of tools. What we didn't like was there actually was a small air leak in this filter housing that was causing air to make it into the water lines and through the pump, increasing the pump's noise volume. Now, when you take a look at the Primal Plunge's filtration system, first let's look at the ozone generator. It's a high output, very well built ozone generator that's actually variable. So through our touchscreen, you can dial the ozone generation up and down. It's also rated for thousands of hours of usage. If you look at some of these other ozone generators, they're only rated for several hundred hours before they can be expected to stop working. Our filtration system is also where the Primal Plunge's chiller really shines. We have a top mount accessible main filter that you can simply unscrew, change your filter, put the new one back in, screw it on, done. No tools needed, no water leaking anywhere. If any water does come out, we have a catch basin here which will catch the water and keep it off your floors. I can't stress enough the importance of being able to change your filter easily. Many people that have cold plunges don't change their filters enough, and what it causes is for the system to get gummed up and for that pump to work much harder. And pump failure is one of the main things you want to worry about when you're looking at cold plunge chillers. So we want to make sure the entire water loop can flow easily and that we can encourage users to change their filter regularly to keep the pump and the water clean and the pump working well.